Pretty good. Wow! Nice, isn't it? Oh yes. Sunday evening, almost evening, Logroño City. That's why it's so calm, so relaxed, because it's Sunday. These noisy traffic lights, they do this noisy for the blind people to know when it is open and when it is red. That's why. It's a very nice garden in central Logroño city. I don't come much this way because it's in a side that's a bit out of the area I normally go, but it's quite nice. Today it's very, very calm. It's not tomorrow, it will be not like this, because today it's Sunday and it's about sunset. This is not garbage on the ground, it's just dry leaves falling down with the breeze, because we are in the autumn, and now all the trees will end up, at least this kind of trees, they will end up without leaves, they will fall down. That's why the Americans, they call this season, instead of autumn, they call it the fall. The fall. Yeah, because everything falls down with exception of a few ones, like for example olive trees. They keep the leaves even in winter time. Yeah, among a few others. Yes, very nice, very nice area. A shot looking back, you see the fountain down there, you see, and then here we are. All this area is very, very nice, and today I'm quite lucky, because I think here is where the government of this region is, this building here. That's why they have those flags over there. I'm lucky because it's not windy, which is quite hard to find a day without strong wind in this region. Actually, that's what I don't like of this region, because it's almost always windy. You'll see people relaxing. Say hello. No hello. No. And then, since I am here, I'm going to walk a few more 100 meters and to the Cathedral area, and I will finish there my video. Look at this. Very nice. Very nice. Yes. This city has quite a lot of trees. which I like. It has also a river. I'm not going to the river now, although I'm not very far from it, but there's the, you'll see, fantastic. Again, the traffic light, chin chin chong 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 chong. Another nice spot, not far from where we are coming from. We are coming from that area over there, and as I said, we're going to the Cathedral area. Look at this. Isn't this amazing? I love this street here. That's why I will include this in this video. Logroño is a very elegant city. It is the capital of one of the best wine regions in Europe, called Rioja. That's the name of the brand of the wine of this area, this entire area. Yeah, a Rioja wine. And then within Rioja wine, you will have many different labels from Ish winery. Yeah, look at this. People enjoying life. Yeah, that's what money is for. Yeah, money in your pocket makes things easy for you. You can sit in these elegant places and enjoy tasty, yummy things, drinks or food. And look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Crazy dogs around. Yes. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Yes. Wow. I like this building here. Look at this. Look at this, very nice architecture. Another thing that I like very much inside of this area is this. You see, it has plenty of buildings on this style, even in modern architecture, which means that even if it's raining cats and dogs, you still can walk up and down the street without getting wet and without needing an umbrella. Looking back, look at this. Isn't it nice? I really love this walkways. Yeah, fantastic. The sidewalks are really good. Yes, let's get out of here as well. Again, I mean, because this is very nice. Yes. Very nice. Yeah. Logroño is a flat city, which means that you can enjoy riding around a scooter, a bicycle, or just walking easily. Very nice. Let's go inside the sidewalk again. Cover that sidewalk. Just beautiful, you see. Can be raining and you still can enjoy a walk around, having a nice appetizer or a nice starter in any bar around without worries about the rain. Isn't it amazing? talking to you from one of the wine capitals in Spain. Happens to be the region where I've been living for almost 30 years now. And if I've been here for that long, it means that I can't deny that I feel good here, that I like it. The only thing I don't like here is the wind. Well, that's why we have a lot of windmills producing power, electricity in this area, because of that stuff that I don't like. It is the wind blowing my ears all day long, almost all the year long. Fantastic, isn't it? Very good, isn't it? But yes, look at this. Look at this. It's almost sunset. Yeah, it's almost sunset. There's the square in front of the Cathedral of Logroño city. Beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful. That's like a balcony that they closed in all the sides, and you sit there and you have the nice, comfortable view from down the street. Lovely. Yes. Yeah. This is the old part of the city. Old, aged, but elegant. Very elegant architecture. This area is where people come for, at night for a drink. Not today, because tomorrow they have to work. But on Friday night and Saturday night, this is a busy area for take a dinner or just a tapa or a snack with a nice wine or whatever you like with it. You'll see. Wow. Wow. Lovely, isn't it? Yes. Wow. Isn't it amazing? Wow, the cathedral bells. There we are. Yes. And there comes the police. I don't know if they like me filming. They will let me know if they don't like. Yes, fantastic. Yeah. They didn't care about me. And the police are in an electric car. Did you feel that? No noise at all. Electric car. I want an electric car too. Getting a bit busy here. Lights are turning on right now. There we go. Well, we have churros over there, and I think I'm going there for the churros. Churros is a kind of snack, sweet snack that people love in Spain, and I love it too. Okay, she's preparing for me a dozen of, you see, churreria, which means the place where you make the churros. And this is a kind of churro, I think, this one, and these ones are the ones I'm going to buy, like this one here. And she's making fresh hot ones for me. Very elegant, and I may say quite expensive restaurant. Very good. Yes, nice area. This is the menu. As you can see, it goes very easy to 100 euros per person, easy. And if you go with a bottle of very expensive wine, so forget about it, it will be bloody expensive, but it is really very good. And look at the street, elegant street. This is the restaurant right in the corner, just beside the government of La Rioja building, and within one of the most interesting locations in Logroño city, in front of this park. It's called the Espolón Park, Espolón Garden. Lovely sunset in Logroño city. And since I'm here, I'm just going to walk a bit more and face the fountain street called Gran Via, and some Asian shops open 24/7 almost in Logroño city. As you see, everybody relaxing in the street. No problem, we are not afraid about anything here. There's no bad people walking by, no thieves. Maybe some thieves. Sometimes thieves here are the kind of thieves with a tie, you know, not the vulgar cheap thieves. The clever ones may be around, but they don't bother us. They only bother rich people and the big money, not normal people like me or anyone that you see walking around. Yes, sunset in Logroño city, another street. As you see, as I told you, everything is elegant in this city. Now it's starting, as I told you about wind. That is a windy place. I think it's starting blowing, the wind blowing around. So this is the most modern and expensive street in the city, Gran Via. My wife used to work in the city, in the street, exactly. And this is also my favorite spot in Logroño city. My favorite spot. Again, we have people walking in covered up sidewalks that even if it's raining, no one will get wet, as we can see over there. You'll see people are walking below the building in a sidewalk of a great elegant avenue. You see, we are. Although it's red, but there are no cars coming, and I'm going to run a bit, and because I want to get this view. So there we are, Logroño city. Sunset in Logroño city. Yes, sunset in Logroño city is nice. The lights are starting to shine in Logroño city. This is by far my favorite spot in the city. A bus is passing by, and well, I think from here we'll finish this video. That was not on my plans, but I think it was a very good decision, because it's hard to find, as I said before, a day that's not bloody windy, and if it's very windy you cannot film around. You can film but you cannot talk, because it's impossible because of the wind blowing on the microphone. Alright, from Logroño city, from Spain, from Europe, bye bye.